Amazon seller Best World LED contacted me and asked that I try out their 7.5-inch dimmable LED disc light, and I thought that would be great. Now you can buy these in a single or a 4-pack, and they attach to can lights or junction box. So let's dive into the features real quick. When you open the box, you get a few items. The light itself, an E26 plug adapter, a couple of springs that will allow you to keep this into the can light, a couple little plastic pieces, and some wire nuts and an assortment of screws here. Also comes with a very general instruction manual. Now, let's dive into the features of the light. The globe can be spun off and removed. Now it's an LED, so you're not going to be accessing any of this stuff, but if a bug were to get in here, you'd want to be able to get it out by removing this globe. And it just spins back into place like that. On the back side, you have a few different options. If you're going to be installing this into a junction box, you're going to want the ground wire, and also the instruction book says you can attach this piece here, which is the E26 bulb, but you would just remove that by cutting the wires somewhere along this piece. So you can use that in your junction box and wire in directly. But for my case, I'm going to be using this E26 adapter. It's just your standard light bulb fitting there. And it just has a connection that simply snaps into place with that right there. Now, on the back, it also has the options for various sizes of can lights. So, for instance, there's the outer hole is a 6-inch, inner hole is 5, and then the most inner is for a junction box. And so, if you were to use your screws on your junction box, that would just fit into these inner holes, and you would swing it into place. But for my can lights, I'm going to be using these recessed 5-inch here, and I'm just going to peel back the stickers for the 5 here. There we go. Get off there. And now I can use the springs that came with this and just place that in here. That it just snaps into place, and that's going to allow me to get this connected into my box, my can light. To get this installed, I'm going to remove my old fixture here. Just unscrew my bulb, and I'm going to undo the screw that's holding this in place here. And with a can light, it's quite simple to get this installed. I'm just going to use that E26 plug there, get this spun into place. Okay, and now this part is a little bit annoying, but you just have to pull back on these metal springs right here and get them to fit up into can light. And that's what's going to hold the light into place up in here. Okay. Now I'm going to have to spin this around to make sure it's... Now the light's installed, let's give it a test. As you can see, it works quite well. As you can see, the light gives off a nice warm light because this is a 3000 Kelvin color. So it's not too yellow and it's not too white. So it's definitely a good mixture. Now this comes in a 15 watt, which means it's going to be a 75 watt equivalent of an incandescent bulb. If you'd like to check out this LED disc light, I have a link in the description down below. And as always, thank you for watching.